So now that we have skills and memory set up, let's talk about automated jobs. This is where Hermes really starts to feel like an assistant and not just a chatbot. So you're able to tell it to do stuff on a schedule without you having to prompt it first. This could be a morning briefing before you start work, a weekly recap at the end of a Friday, or just a reminder to stand up and stretch every couple hours. Anything that you'd normally have to remember to do yourself, you can have Hermes do. So back here within Telegram, I'm going to ask my Hermes agent to set up a job for me. Here I'll say, can you set up a weekly job that runs every Monday at 9 a.m. that researches the top 3 trending AI tools using the YouTube video research skill we created earlier? And here you'll notice that I'm not just creating a recurring scheduled job, I'm also combining it with the custom skill that we had Hermes create earlier. So now we have a scheduled job running exactly how we want it to, powered by a custom skill and backed by memory that keeps improving over time. Once we send this, our agent will start running autonomously, which I think is super cool. Let's go ahead and run this right here. And there we go, it's now been set up. We see the name, the schedule, the skill being used, where it's going to be delivered, and a job ID. It's also going to tell us when the job will be run next. And once you have a bunch of different jobs set up, it's also helpful to be able to see all of your jobs from a bird's eye view. So right here, I'll say, show me a list of all the current jobs. Send that. And right here, we can see that we have one job currently running. So once you have a bunch of different jobs set up, you can quickly see them right here. And from here, if I wanted to add more jobs, pause this one, or remove it, I can manage all of that from right here. So that's kind of the whole idea with your Hermes agent. You install or create new skills, set up automated jobs, and let your Hermes agent start handling tasks for you automatically. You can start small like I did here with my AI tools research, and then keep scaling from there based on what you need your agent to do.